How to change template on Wix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change template on Wix. So let's get started. Simply open up your website that you're creating, and we know that we select a template while creating your website, but if you want to change your template completely and you want to change the colors, the text, everything, it's really easy to do. What you need to do is simply go to site design from this option right here, and it will allow you to customize your theme, background page, and others. Click on site theme and customize. Now I will be able to change the theme and the template of my website. So I can select this one, maybe this one or this one. So you can see how it's changing my template right here. This one looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna select this one. And this is how you can also change the template of your website, and it will allow you to customize your theme and change your website so that it looks different and you have a unique website of your own. You can also change the background colors if you want. Simply go to site design and it will allow you to even add page transitions if you want. So this is how you change the template of your Wix website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.